Welcome back to the MakeForms tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the address field and its different settings. The address field helps you collect complete address details from users, including street, country, state, city, and zip code. You can enable or hide individual sections based on what information you need. It's perfect for forms like order details, shipping info, or registration forms. To get started, add an address field to your form. Let's begin with the basic settings. At the top, you'll see a toggle for required field. If this field is left blank, the form won't submit and an error message will appear prompting the user to complete it. By default, the address field appears as a single input box, perfect when you just want one complete address line. When you turn on split field, it divides into 6 parts: street address 1, street address 2, country, state, city, and zip code. You can toggle off any section you don't need. Once you enable split field, you'll see individual default value boxes for street address 1, street address 2, country, and zip code. These let you pre-fill the address details that stay consistent. For example, you can pre-fill United States for country or 90210 as the default zip code. Users can still edit these values while filling the form unless the fields are disabled. In the single field view, the placeholder text option lets you show example text inside the box. For instance, enter your full address. Below that, you'll find the helper text toggle. When turned on, 2 options appear: placement and text. Add your helper message inside the text box. For example, enter your complete mailing address. Under placement, you can show it as an info icon, which shows the helper message in a tooltip when the user hovers on it, or display it directly beneath the field for better clarity. You can define a maximum length for the single field as well. This controls how long the entered address can be. Now let's move to the advanced settings, which apply to both single and split field layouts. Turn on repeat field if you want users to enter more than one address. Once enabled, you can set how many times the field can repeat, and users will be able to add multiple entries. For example, a home address and an office address. Enable mark as sensitive data if the address contains personal or confidential information. Only team members in your MakeForms account who have access to sensitive data will be able to see it. You'll also see an option for default value here. It lets you pre-fill the address automatically when the form loads. The disable field toggle makes the field visible but not editable. It's useful when you want to display pre-filled values that shouldn't be changed by the user. Hidden fields don't appear on the form at all, so users won't see or interact with them. However, any value you set for that field, including a default value or a value passed through a query parameter, is still captured when the form is submitted. Next, you'll see the option Fill from Query Parameter. This allows data to be automatically filled in from the form URL. So if the parameter contains something like 221B Baker Street, the address field will show that value instantly when the form opens. Users can submit it as is or edit the value before submitting the form. The Mark as Unique option appears only in the single field layout and becomes visible when the required field toggle is turned on. Here you can enter a message under Error Message for Unique Field. This message appears if a user submits an address that already exists in your responses, and that's how you set up the address field in MakeForms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.